So, may I request Dr. Yashpal Sharma to make his opening remarks, whether through presentation or verbally, whichever way, sir. जैसे भी आप
Yeah,
चाहें.
I think I will discuss verbally.
जी, sir.
Basically, the discussion is going on for vaccination.
जी.
We had a lot of questions from cardiac patients
हम्म.
whether we should stop antiplatelet, whether we should get vaccination. So we
हम्म.
told them by various means, by
हम्म.
telephone, by radio, that they
हम्म.
should take antiplatelet drugs.
हम्म.
They should not stop these drugs.
हम्म.
In fact, this clotting and other factors were there. So
हम्म.
when these hesitations were removed, the patient started taking
हम्म.
vaccination.
हम्म.
So because our stented patients,
हम्म.
they are prone for thrombosis. If they
हम्म.
stop antiplatelet drug, they will
हम्म.
die of stent thrombosis,
हम्म.
this heart attack.
हम्म.
So that is very effective.
हम्म.
Uh, so this point we raised from the very beginning
हम्म.
that in fact when lockdown was there,
हम्म.
the patient should take antiplatelet drugs and also have a stock of at least 1 month
हम्म.
because if the drugs are not available,
हम्म.
even the normal patient will die of stent thrombosis.
हम्म.
So it may not be because of COVID, it may be because of stent thrombosis.
हम्म.
So secondly, this vaccination hesitancy and
हम्म.
stopping or confusion regarding the antiplatelet, this
हम्म.
was removed at a very large scale.
हम्म.
Secondly, during lockdown, by grace of God,
हम्म.
we could start telecardiology very early,
हम्म.
tele postal chronic disease certification, reimbursement of bills, so that these patients didn't suffer.
हम्म.
Everything was being
हम्म.
this office, deep office. So these patients at a very remote distance
हम्म. हम्म.
could get medicines and
हम्म.
advice.
हम्म.
We opened our all telephones,
हम्म.
personal telephones for OPD.
हम्म.
So tele OPD by telephone was started.
हम्म.
So this way, the patient in the north
हम्म.
could get emergency as well as
हेलो.
other help for cardiac
हम्म.
patients.
हम्म.
Regarding emergency patients,
हम्म.
all patients were taken. And in fact, it was
हम्म.
very interesting that
हम्म.
even our result during COVID for COVID negative patients by proper
हम्म.
screening
हम्म.
have been the excellent. Those patients who were refused by surgeons or very sick
हम्म.
or with comorbid diseases,
हम्म.
we could tackle those cardiogenic shock patients and we
हम्म.
got the best result,
हम्म.
26% mortality.
हम्म.
And this strategy of, in fact, etiopathogenesis, the
हम्म.
coronary thrombosis, microcirculation thrombosis, pulmonary thrombosis,
हम्म.
started from PGI cardiac this here.
हम्म. हम्म.
We disseminated even when COVID didn't enter India. It was
हम्म.
told to Italy, US, in West
हम्म.
Nepal
हम्म.
that this
हम्म.
is thrombosis.
हम्म.
We have to be give give antiplatelets, anticoagulants, this
हम्म.
clot buster, and clot dissolving like
हम्म.
streptokinase, urokinase, reteplase, 2B3 inhibitors. So we gave this medication when first four patients came, cardiac patients, and
हम्म.
all patients survived. And
हम्म.
our results were not different from COVID positive and negative.
हम्म.
So nowadays, when this was told to the this universe by webinar, uh,
हम्म.
by connecting lot of cardiologists, in the initial
हम्म.
stages there was lot of hesitancy.
हम्म.
They were saying that we cannot. We would, but when they were taking the patient to cath lab, the
हम्म.
patients they were seeing the very slow flow endothelial dysfunction.
हम्म.
And these patients were not surviving even after angioplasty or
हम्म.
angiography.
हम्म.
So many of the medics and paramedics also lost their lives.
हम्म.
But I think within a week, next webinar, the whole
हम्म.
world accepted this. And the mortality immediately came down from 22 to 5%.
हम्म.
And now it's less than 1%.
ओके
And
डॉक्टर शर्मा, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू हियर।
yes,
हमारा एक चैलेंज ये है कि जो कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन जो इसके जिनके जिनके साथ हम आज बात कर रहे हैं, ये आपने मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी टर्मिनोलॉजी में सारा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया एंड यू गॉट गुड सक्सेस।
मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि
जी।
कम्युनिटी रेडियो में कैसे, जैसे कि
हम्म,
जैसे एक हैंड वॉशिंग,
हम्म,
this distancing, mask, these are going on, and
जी,
vaccination
जी,
plus uh, appropriate behavior.
जी,
Another very important thing which we have found, that in children or otherwise, where the pandemic is there,
जी,
if this saline gargles are done, or
हम्म,
beaten in mouthwash,
हम्म,
or surfactant, in
हम्म,
fact, if pandemic is there, nothing
हम्म,
is available.
हम्म,
Even we say any drug, that
हम्म,
will become out of stock.
हम्म,
But surfactant, this
हम्म,
liquid soap, slight this one,
हम्म,
cleaning of nose, and
हम्म,
just one or two gargles immediately clean the throat very effectively.
राइट सर, राइट
So
सर।
in
सर मेरा सवाल कार्डियोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है। फॉर एग्जांपल आपने बताया कि जो कार्डियोलॉजी पेशेंट्स है कि उनको कैसे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए और कैसे ट्रीटमेंट हो और कोविड को भी मैनेज कर पाए। लेकिन अगर एक केस भी नेशनल टेलीविजन पे आता है कि हार्ट अटैक हो गया किसी टीवी एंकर को या किसी सेलिब्रिटी को होता है, तो ये बड़ा सा डर बिठा देता है कि जो कार्डियोलॉजी के कार्डियक पेशेंट्स है उनमें भी हो जाता है कि हम क्या करें। लोकल लेवल पे जिस कम्युनिटी की हम बात कर रहे हैं, दीज आर रूरल पीपल, जनरली इलिटरेट पीपल, जिनके जो जनरली गूगल अंग्रेजी में नहीं करते हैं, तो कम्युनिटी रेडियोज लोकल लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं, उनके साथ कैसे कम्युनिकेट किया जाए, इस चैलेंज को कैसे एड्रेस किया जाए कि ये एक एक्सेप्शन था, कोई भी वजह हो सकती है, लेकिन आपको साइंस के साथ चलना है, तो ये कम्युनिकेशन वाला चैलेंज कैसे एड्रेस करें हम। आपने तो
ये
डॉक्टर्स के साथ वेबिनार
एक
किया, टॉक अबाउट
कम्युनिकेशन
कॉमन
का ये
पीपल।
चैलेंज बड़े इजीली टैकल, जैसे कि आजकल टेली कार्डियोलॉजी सर्विस, टेली सर्विस,
हम्म,
तो उसके लिए जैसे नेटवर्किंग, जो कि कम्युनिटी लेवल पे
हम्म,
अब जोनल हॉस्पिटल, डिस्पेंसरी,
हम्म,
and medical colleges, tertiary
हम्म,
hospital, if they get connected,
हम्म,
immediately even very advanced treatment can be given to those
हम्म,
patients.
हम्म,
Because nowadays with the tele services, the maximum benefit will be for these emergencies.
हम्म,
Like if immediately some test is done, ECG is done, that is transmitted, or
हम्म,
if it is not available,
हम्म,
empirical
हम्म,
aspirin clopidogrel is given immediately to those patients with ranitidine and pantoprazole.
हम्म,
It, this helps a lot, and by the time the patient can go to any zonal hospital
हम्म,
where treatment can be given, and this
हम्म,
can prevent sudden cardiac death, which is 55% of the patients, they do not reach hospital, they
जी, जी,
die outside.
जी, जी,
So that will be effective in reducing the sudden cardiac death
हम्म,
also. So
हम्म,
basically with COVID, this tele services will
हम्म,
make a lot of difference,
हम्म,
saving cardiac patients,
हम्म,
which constitutes the major cause of
हम्म,
mortality worldwide.
हम्म। Thank you, Dr. Yashpal. I'll come back to you for second round because we're a bit short on time. There एक सवाल आ रहा है अभी आबा नेगी जी से. So
Yeah.
आबा please go ahead, Dr.
I
Sharma.
just want to ask that आप एक तो हम टेली सर्विसिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, एक जो हेल्थ वर्कर्स हैं हमारे पास, चाहे वो आशा दीदीज हैं या जो भी कम्युनिटी लेवल पे ये जो लोग आंगनवाड़ी लोग या जो काम कर रहे हैं, उनकी ट्रेनिंग के बारे में कुछ हो सकता है इसके साथ जुड़ के डॉक्टर यशपाल की उनको ट्रेन किया जाए so that they can give effective information and medication or something.
यस, उनको एक प्रोटोकॉल, एक सर्टिफिकेट दिया जा सकता है, एक उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जा सकती है। जैसे कि अगर कार्डिक पेशेंट आता है, उन्होंने उसको कैसे हिस्ट्री पूछनी है, क्या क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं, कैसे कनेक्ट होना डॉक्टर से, या अदरवाइज कैसे सिंपल मेडिकेशन देनी है, और आगे उसके लिए कैसे डॉक्टर के साथ कनेक्ट होके, चाहे वो स्टेट लेवल पे हो चाहे टर्शरी पे हो, किस वक्त उसको ट्रांसफर करना है, या इन दैट वे प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर, जोनल, स्टेट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, तो ये एक बड़ा एक प्रोटोकॉल बन सकता है जो कि आशा केयर वर्कर को दिया जा सकता है। इनफैक्ट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, ये जो सारा डिफरेंस आशा केयर हेल्थ वर्कर से कंट्रोल हुई सेकंड वेव, आपने देखा होगा कि अवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, when rapid antigen this concept was given, that it should be at the block level and it should be done by ASHA workers, multi-purpose workers, and lakhs and crores of tests were done. In fact, 50 lakhs in UP. But results were so excellent. I humbly in that way submit that this suggestion of rapid antigen was given to the center, and they really acknowledge it. Basically, RT-PCR, you know that results were coming after 2 days, sensitivity, specificity, but it was not possible to do at the remote level. And you might be reading that with this test, SDM, DC, they were so happy that they could regulate, and immediately the whole of the village was contained. And this 26th May, within a week, the second wave 5 lakhs to 1 lakh. So it was very drastic reduction of number of cases. And this will be helpful for any third wave also. In fact, third wave will not be that high. If it comes, it will be very high, 13,000 cases today. And if there are 8-10,000 and everybody gets vaccinated and precautions are there, so everything will can open. And with the vaccination of children, maximum vaccination will be there.